What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? No, no. What do you want? Come on. You gotta tell me. You have to spell it out. You can't just be jumping around. No, tell Dad. Tell Dad what you want. What do you want, little squirt? What do you want? What do you want? Huh? You gotta tell Dad. You have to tell your dad. You guys are in trouble. You're not getting no treaties until you tell Dad what you want. What do you want? No. What do you want? Come on. You want a meatball. You want a meatball? Tell Dad meatball. Meatball Dad. Meatball Dad. No meatball. Meatball. Tell meatball Dad. Meatball's what we want, Dad. Yeah. What do you want, Jiggy? Dance around, little man. Dance around, little man. What do you guys want? Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, this is a meatball frenzy, too. So do your little dance. Do your little dance. Do your little dance. Yes. Okay, come on. Let's get a meatball. Let's get a meatball, guys. Oh, my gosh. You've earned it. You have earned a meatball again. Oh. Come here. Come here. Where's your meatball? Take it nice. Take it nice. Good girl. Look at the little girl. Okay. There's your meatball. Take your meatball. Good girl. Come on, Mr. Jakey. Take your meatball, buddy. Take your meatball. Come on. Ow. Okay. That's the Meatball Frenzy 2. Coming to you live from Studio 69.